on the roof, soft and light. But then a storm may come, and the thunder starts to crash. The rain beats on the window, and I see the lightning flash. I hold on Teddy tight and sit down in my bed. I close my eyes so tight and pull the cover.